ask me, you got a modern how long have you been around me? How long? You got a modern how long is it going to take for you to figure out that I don't like working that hard? You never work. You got a modern Get the camera out of here. I got to strangle him.
What makes this Mustang a Shelby Super Snake wide body speedster? What about this car makes it all of those things?
Everything from over 800 horsepower, full suspension, over 8, he says that like it's not.
Over 800 horsepower.
Yeah.
Over 800 horsepower.
Because how else are you going to get to the store? You know?
That's right. That's right. What'd you do to the suspension?
Full suspension all the way through. Brakes, wheels, tires, exhaust system.
Yeah.
Full interior.
Yeah.
Gauge cluster on it. You
Yeah.
know, the wide body edition.
Yeah.
Super Snake front end, aluminum front fenders, custom hood, full custom front end on the car.
Yes.
Everything has a function on the car.
Yes.
This car here, you can take this to the track and it is the #1 show car at the track.
It's ready to rock.
You know,
I'm loving this speedster vibe you got.
the speedster vibe is so cool. It's a new thing we started doing. You know what? We brought the car out. We brought a speedster out. We let everybody look at it. We sold out in days.
I believe it. The wide body on this car.
Wide
This
body.
car is it's so wide, but it's designed so beautifully that it doesn't look cartoonish. It just looks outrageous.
I've been designing for 21 years for Shelby. My whole mindset is to make a car look like a factory car.
Yeah.
You know, we just had the vice president of Ford here, and he was so excited to see these cars, how they look like factory cars.
Yeah.
You know, it's one thing to come up with an idea. It takes a team to put it together.
Yeah.
We got a family here that just bar none, one of the best in the business.
I agree.
And we tie with you guys that are the best in the business. What do? We come up and we pull off something like this that is way out there.
It's gorgeous. Congratulations to you, your team, your eye on making this thing amazing. Thank you for allowing us to do a joint venture with you guys here at Shelby.
This is awesome.
This is awesome for us.
love it.
I mean, we're blown away.
Do we have to stop at this one?
No. I would love that. Right. I say we do more. This car is representing not only Shelby, not only Counts Customs, but this car will be representing Camp Freedom.
Yes.
Camp Freedom is an amazing, amazing organization that is there supporting our first responders, that is there supporting our troops, our veterans, all people in need that have served this great nation over the years. Camp Freedom is there to help these folks when they are in need. And it's an amazing organization. I've worked with them for years. Now, Camp Freedom, Shelby American, and Counts Customs are working together, and that's what this car is here to represent. This car will be at Barrett-Jackson, January 27th. That's a Friday, okay? In the afternoon, this car is going to be auctioned off at Barrett-Jackson, and all of the proceeds are going to Camp Freedom. Please look them up. It's such a great cause, but on top of it, whoever goes home with this is going home with a one-of-one Shelby wide body Super Snake Speedster. I got that all out.
60th anniversary even. It's an anniversary model.
Kudos to my entire team back here. Kevin, thank you. Mike, thank you. Ryan, Rockstar, Ghetto Bob, thank you. My whole team, it's an honor to be working with Shelby and with Camp Freedom and the whole bit. And yeah, man, let's do some more.
Sounds good. All right, man.
This is the Shelby Counts Customs did. I'm responsible for I'm responsible for nothing. Counts Customs did a great job. I did not help.